Uncle Mark here, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, well, welcome to you too. Something I'm not familiar with. I've had some issues with this in the past. It's a water softener. I'll give you the model number. And it's just acting up. And there is some maintenance to it, and I've remember doing something a long time ago. No one seems to talk anything about maintaining this unit itself. They talk about where your water goes now, but they don't tell you what to do with this. So first thing I'm going to do is unplug it. So now that it's off, normally I would push that, which will bypass the water through here, but I've got a different system. I've added some stuff here, so I'm going to go like that. You won't have this, I doubt. Because a lot of times these things leak if you haven't been turning, but if you were to press that, the water will just go right through here and go back out instead of going into the machine. That's what I've done with that. So we can take you back here and take this top off. This top is just basically sitting there, so you just have to jiggle it around, pull it off. There's your unit. Put it in a catch basin because I remember water coming out, and I thought if I ever have trouble with it, it'd be nice to catch the water instead of causing trouble. So the way this works, usually a lid on here, it pumps water into there where your salt is, and then it sucks back the salty water and gets this thing to do its little thing. And of course it's got this little timer which runs a bunch of valves, which does a whole bunch of different things. Not too worried about that. Last time I worked on it, I made this yellow around here and that yellow around there. And I'm thinking, why did I do that? Well, because there's a little screw in there. We're going to slowly take it out and try and catch the water. And there's some little, I don't know what you'd call them, I'll think of it in a minute. Needles or whatever in there that get gummed up. We'll see what we can find in there. Like I say, yours won't have the yellow around it because I've added that on there. But if a guy takes a look in there, I don't know if you can see, there's actually a screw in there. So what I'm going to do, take my screwdriver, and this is almost too big. Slowly turn it and see what comes. The water should start coming out, I guess. Be careful. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm right. Water will come out. Slowly turn it and see what comes. The water should start coming out, I guess. Be careful. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm right. Water will come out. Because I'm not too worried about. I just want to slowly relieve some pressure here. There we go. I don't know how much water is going to come out. Guess we'll find out. How much pressure's in there, that I don't know either. Well, it's dripping and I'm going to get a towel. You guys just watch it drip. Could almost use a little bowl or something. Like that. The noise you hear in the background is my water tank making some noise. Not really sure how much pressure's in here. It's a long time since I had this apart. Whoa, there's a little more. This is in real time, so that's just that, but there's something else in there. I don't remember what it looks like. I think I need to pull it out with some kind of pliers. We'll look in there in a second. Give it some time. Bowl idea was a good idea, I can see that. This blue strap is just looks like it broke. I think I had to stop this thing from rattling. This piece up here, Put a piece of rubber in there and tie strapped it. It was just, I guess it got loose from time humming and just make a heck of a racket. But back to this. If you're interested, this is how much water came out. I don't know. I don't know how much that is, but expect some water to come out. Still have some water coming out. We'll see if we can see anything in there. See, there is something there. You need some needle nose pliers to pull it out gently. Maybe this side doesn't come out. I'm going to say no. Let's go around to the other side. And we'll do this side here. Same kind of idea. Just this. I think all the pressure was let off the other side. Oh, okay. This is the side with the... We'll take a look at that in a minute. See if we can see anything in there. I see nothing. Want to see? Where are we? We're in there. So if we go to this side, so there is something here. I think this side does come out. I'll try and yank a little harder. Whoa, there goes my light. Well, from this side. See anything come out? So these are our two parts. This doesn't look like anything special, but this side, it looks like it's a screw. And if you hold it to the light, it's actually got holes in it. I don't know if I can show you that or not. Try. You can see through there, right? So that could get dirty. So I'm going to just take it for granted that maybe it had some junk in there. Long one goes on this side, I'll just stick that back in. I don't think this is any kind of a problem. And just make it tight enough that it's snug. Don't want to break it, it's just plastic, and this thing's how old? I bet this thing's 30 years old. I think we can take this guy off and that guy off there too. So I'm talking about this guy right here. And there's also one on this side. Well, it looks like it comes off. It's really nothing on that side, but I don't really see what take this side off too, I guess. See, this is gurgling and burgling and just a light plastic bolt. Nothing, just water came out, right, guys? You can see right through it, so whatever should be clean, I guess. Now let's just put you back on here. Stick that, I guess, back in there. I don't know what else to take off or clean or check. At least if you have one of these, you've seen somebody monkey with it a little bit. That's about as tight as this is gonna go. Yeah. This other one back in quickly and have to cross thread it. Well, guess that is it, huh? Give it a little tighten. Get that to sit on there. I'll know if it leaks. Now this, I guess that's that. Check is that thing at the bottom there. So I'm gonna undo this, whichever way it undoes. Probably water's gonna come out again, for sure. Yeah, ouch. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Can you blow it? Taste the salt. I could suck it up too, so that's not a problem. Yeah, that's salty. So let's put this back on here, I guess. I just thought maybe if it was plugged or something, which I don't think it is. Okay. Just go back in there somewhere. Wherever it's at. Okay, now my hand's full of salt too. Give me a minute. Checking to see if those are dirty or not. They seem fine. Let's get you back up here. I don't know what else to tell you. I guess all I can do is put it back together. Plug it back in, set the timer, see what happens. Set for roughly the correct time with a PM in the top left because it is PM. And I guess I'll just, I think there's too much water in there. I'm going to take some of it out. The whole reason I was looking at here is because it was about this high the other day. It shouldn't be that high. It probably should be that or less. So I just don't want it to overfill and make a mess. Did you learn anything? Must have learned something if you have one of these. Probably didn't know you could take that stuff apart and then it could clog with some kind of dirt. I didn't see anything in there unless you saw something blow out. I don't see anything here, so we're probably good. Like I say, not my genre of stuff to fix. If you like the video though, why not give it a thumbs up? If it helped you a little bit, you can subscribe down here. Maybe I'll have something linked up here later on if it's something close to this kind of thing. I guess we could link, I have a hot water tank that I replaced the anode in. That may be something you want to look at too, because that I know for sure, that could probably save you some money. Till next time, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. You guys take care. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, if you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Plus, please subscribe. You can just ring the bell to get all notifications. It's easy. We'll show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Whoa. Uncle Mark. Is it gonna work?